Greetings to all. Today we will discuss about Venn diagrams. Let's take one example. Let A is the set of people who like cricket. B is the set of people who like basketball. And let C is the set of people who like football. Now, let's discuss each and every part of this Venn diagram. A represents the number of people who like cricket only. B represents the number of people who like basketball only. D represents the number of people who like football only. And G represents the number of people who like cricket and basketball but not football. F represents the number of people who like cricket and football but not basketball. E represents the number of people who like football and basketball but not cricket. Now, what's about H? H represents the number of people who like cricket, basketball and football. Or we can say A intersection B intersection C. Intersection means common elements. Now, G plus H means A intersection B. And B intersection C is equal to E plus H. Also, A intersection C is equal to H plus F. Now the question arises, how many people who like at least one of the game? Yes, number of people who like at least one of the game is always equal to union of these three sets. Or we can say A union B union C. And this is equal to A plus B plus D plus E plus F plus G plus H. Also there is formula for union of three sets. So formula is number of elements in A union B union C is equal to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B plus number of elements in C minus number of elements in A intersection B minus number of elements in B intersection C minus number of elements in A intersection C plus number of elements in A intersection B intersection C.
Let A be the set of people who read newspaper H. Let B be the set of people who read newspaper T. Let C be the set of people who read newspaper I. So according to question, number of elements in A is equal to 25. Number of elements in B is equal to 26. Number of elements in C is equal to 26. And 9 read both H and I. It means number of elements in A intersection C is equal to 9. Also, 11 read both H and T. It means number of elements in A intersection B is equal to 11. Now, 8 read both T and I. It means number of elements in B intersection C is equal to 8. And 3 read all 3 newspapers. It means number of elements in A intersection B intersection C is equal to 3. number of elements in A is equal to 25. It means we can say A plus B plus E plus F is equal to 25. Number of elements in B is equal to 26. It means B plus C plus E plus D is equal to 26. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Now number of elements in C is equal to 26. It means F plus E plus D plus G is equal to 26. This is equation number 3. Now, number of elements in A intersection C, it means E plus F is equal to 9. This is equation number 4. Number of elements in A intersection B, it means B plus E is equal to 11. This is equation number 5. Number of elements in B intersection C, it means E plus D is equal to 8. This is equation number 6. Number of elements in A intersection B intersection C, it means E is equal to 3. This is equation number 7. Now put the value of E in equation 6. 3 plus D is equal to 8. D is equal to 5. So D is 5, E is 3. Now put the value of E in equation 5. B plus 3 is equal to 11. B is equal to 8. So B is 8. E plus F is equal to 9. Therefore 3 plus F is equal to 9. F is equal to 9 minus 3, that is 6. A, we don't know, plus B, 8, plus E, 3, plus F, plus 6 is equal to 25. Therefore, A is equal to 25 minus 17. So, value of A is equal to 8. Now, from equation 2, B, 8, plus C, we don't know, plus E, 3, plus D, means 5, is equal to 26. C is equal to 26 minus 16, that is 10. So value of C is equal to 10. From equation 3, F 6 plus E 3 plus D 5 plus G we don't know is equal to 26. 14 plus G is equal to 26. G is equal to 26 minus 14, 12. So value of G is equal to 12. First part is find the number of people who read at least one of the newspaper. So from Venn diagram, number of people who read at least one of the newspaper is equal to number of elements in A union B union C, and that is equal to A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G. A means 8, 8, 10, 5, 3, 6, 12. So, answer is 52. We can also find number of elements in A union B union C by the formula of A union B union C. number of elements in A union B union C is equal to number of elements in A, number of elements in B, C minus number of elements in A intersection B, B intersection C, C intersection A plus number of elements in A intersection B intersection C. Put all the values which are given in question, we will get the same result, that is 52. Second part is number of people who read exactly one newspaper. So from Venn diagram, this is equal to A plus C plus G. It means 8 plus 10 plus 12. 8 plus 10 plus 12. It means 30. So there are 30 people who read exactly one newspaper. Third part is find the number of people who read exactly 2 of the 3 newspapers. It means from Venn diagram, number of people who read exactly 2 of the 3 newspapers. This is equal to B plus D plus F. It means 8 plus 5 plus 6. 19. So there are 19 people who read exactly 2 newspapers. That's all for today. Thank you all.